Won't you say why you're a stranger now? Your eyes escaping mine when I sit you down. Don't you feel like we're holding on onto a fairy tale, but the magic's gone? Been months of perfect.
Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, Jaspas, and welcome back to School of Cardistry. Today we're going to be learning a move called Flatlander, which is a very different style of cardistry move that I normally don't associate myself with. It's based on the mechanics of the move front flip, which you guys might have learned last week, and it sort of goes into this sort of like Tai Chi looking cardistry movements. It's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool move. I came out with the move about 2 or 3 years ago when I wanted to join the Cardistry Discord Championship under the alias Odd Style. And because I wanted to come off as a different person and have a different image and have a different look for the video, I also wanted to couple all of that with a different style of cardistry as well. So what I did was that I came out with a bunch of moves that were very different from my usual cardistry style and joined the competition using specifically those moves. Flatlander has been requested by a few of my fans for quite a while now, so I am very excited to have you guys learn this move. Go get your favorite deck of playing cards and let's get down to learning Flatlander. To do Flatlander, first begin in dealer's grip like so. Next, get into front flip position, execute your Charlier card while executing one front flip. Instead of dropping the packet from a distance though, what you want to do is to land the packet directly onto the pinky and rotate it onto the Charlier card packet below. In doing so, the leftover front flip packet will be in prime position to go under this packet. Now that you've reached this position, we're going to control how friction acts upon this top packet. Here's how we're going to do it. Ensure that this packet is as flat in contact with this top packet as possible. You're going to tilt your non-master hand away from this packet. Watch. We tilt it away so that it slides along the edges of the cards like this. At the same time, we're ensuring that the top packet has as much physical contact with this packet so that we can use the friction to maneuver that packet. And now that we are in this position, ensure that your ring finger has contact with this part of the packet right here. Now continue executing this move by balancing the top packet with your ring finger and this part of your master hand packet. Rotate the packets in a clockwise fashion like so. At the end, using your ring finger, position the top packet here in the crutch of your master hand. When you reach this position, clip onto the packet here using your thumb as well as your index finger behind it. You're going to grip this packet like so, rotate it onto the left hand packet like that, as well as press this middle finger against the last packet, flip it over and close. At full speed, this is what that should look like. Here's a slow performance of the move in case you need it to help track your progress. Split the deck, Charlier card, front flip, go between the Charlier card, slide it down to your ring finger, use friction to control the way the packet moves, flip it over, and close. Ooh wee! Wasn't that a really simple, easy learning experience? That's right. Using School of Cardistry's patented, no, that's not right. Using School of Cardistry's signature system of teaching you prerequisite moves before teaching you the actual move that you want to get to, this learning process should be quite easy for most of you guys. If you didn't manage to get Flatlander down within this one session, no worries, another 5, 10, 15 minutes of practice and you should be good to go. Thank you for watching our cardistry tutorial. If you want to see more tutorials like this, as well as exclusive cardistry tutorials and videography tutorials, please head over to our Patreon and give that a look. We have new content being put out all the time, so if you want to support us, School of Cardistry, the New Deck Order, or Jaspas Deck, please head over to our Patreon. Until next time guys, keep playing with your cards, keep yourself safe, and check out the newdeckorder.com for the new Jaspas Deck favorite day tools. Alright, peace out guys, bye bye.